Welcome back to today's video. I'm super excited because I just received the Leverloc shower caddy. And trust me when I tell you that this thing came at the perfect time. My shower was starting to look like the Target shampoo aisle. I don't know where I'm getting all the shampoo from. I've been testing the Leverloc suction cup shower caddy, and it's honestly been one of the easiest and best upgrades that I've made to my bathroom. It's a no-drill rust-proof metal organizer that comes in a 2-pack, and it's designed to keep your shower neat and functional without using any tools. It arrived securely packed in a compact box, and inside you get 2 shower caddies. Each of them come with a built-in suction system that makes installation super quick and mess-free. This setup is honestly perfect for if you're renting or if you live in a smaller space. So installing took maybe 2 minutes at most. You just want to make sure that the wall surface is totally smooth and clean and dry before you install it, because the suction needs a flat, non-porous surface like tile or glass to be able to grip onto it properly. So once your surface is ready, just line up the suction wherever you want to put your organizer and press firmly with the palm of your hand. You'll feel and hear it lock into place because you know that it's secure. My favorite feature by far is that it is completely removable and reusable. So if you ever need to move it to a new spot, you won't have to deal with the sticky residue or damage. To remove it, all you have to do is just slide like a thin card, like a credit card or a gift card, underneath the edge of the suction base to gently break the seal. So if you're looking for a simple tool-free way to organize your shower, this is a strong renter-friendly option that works well and looks clean. All right, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one.